Sa pagkita ng paano ka, ginanon ako ng pulis. Natural. Because the law of arrest is you must arrest the person, and if there is a resistance, assuming it is a lawful arrest, you have to overcome the resistance. Kaya yung mga lasing, kung paghulihin, lumalaban, sipa doon, ito pinapabugbog talaga ng pulis. Pag kinabukasan, dadalhin nila doon sa ospital, hematoma, tapos pag-file ng pulis, meron silang katumbas na filing, violation of human rights. Ito naman mga ugok na to, itong mga potang ina na to, yan ang ibig kong sabihin. They are so blind na ayaw naman pakinggan. Basta pag nakita nilang may injury dyan, I just hope that they would become mayors or presidents someday.